This short in seconds, say what matters. India collected 1.96 trillion rupees $22.3 billion in gross goods and services tax GST in October 2025, the government announced on 1st November. After refunds, the net tax collection stood at around 1.69 trillion rupees, an increase of 0.6% year-on-year. The gross collection represented a rise of about 5% compared to October 2024, suggesting a strong festive season and improved tax compliance. Analysts noted that the rise in gross collections signals that consumer demand and formalization of economy are moving in a favorable direction. However, the modest increase in net receipts, 0.6%, reflects larger refunds and slower growth in some tax heads. The government had recently reduced taxes on hundreds of goods, including shampoo and smaller cars, effective from 22nd September to coincide with the festival period. These tax cuts are expected to weigh on future receipts. Officials said that the government remains confident about sustaining revenue momentum, citing healthy festival demand and compliance gains. They cautioned that the full effect of tax cuts will become clearer in subsequent months due to lag in collection. For policymakers, the challenge remains balancing growth support through tax cuts and maintaining revenue discipline ahead of public spending commitments. The data will be closely watched by ratings agencies and markets, given their implications for India's fiscal trajectory. Investors responded modestly, seeing the revenue numbers as broadly in line with expectations. Source: Reuters. Think business, think BizShort. Tap to subscribe.